paratha with this zira aloo.
Hello, assalamu alaikum everyone. So today I'll show you my day. I'm beginning with this aloo ki sabzi and I'll show you what I'm gonna eat and how this day is gonna spend. How this day I'm gonna spend.
So guys, this is my zira aloo ka sabzi, dahi, achar and paratha. So this sabzi is inspired by Farah Khan. She made, hence I made this. Dahi, achar, and this is paratha which is inspired by my sister. So she told me how to make this paratha and I made this paratha, and trust me guys, this is just mind blowing.
So here I go. So today is my week off. So I just want you to show what's happening in and around Qatar during Eid. This looks so beautiful. So I'm on my way. Inshallah, I'll explore Qatar today. I'll show you what all Eid activities are happening. Sort of sitting and having coffees. I just love it. But then it's so hot here, you can't sit and have your coffee. It's so hot here that you need to cover yourself like anything. So this is how I cover myself whenever I'm going out. This is me on my abaya, completely covered because it's so sunny, so hot. Though it's sunset time now, but still. It's Asr, but still. So this is the beautiful place located in Katara. So I'm just gonna enter into this. This is like all wonderland for people who are like huge fan of these. I don't know what do we name this. These rangers and all. My brother used to watch lots of series of rangers. So when entering into it, like everybody is doing something or the other. Though this place is very expensive, but yes, you will find so many people, so many children taking something or the other. Huge toy collections and everything in this place. He-Man, Batman, Spider-Man, what all man, I don't know. There's so many names. And I'll show you the car, which I just loved it. If possible, I'll try to take one car. Not now, when I'm planning for my vacation. Inshallah, that time. So that, oh my god, the way these kids shop is like immense. They want everything. So this is the section where you will find all huge cars and remote control cars. My dad bought from my brother when he was small from Saudi. So I'll get for my niece. They will enjoy. I mean, this is how Jeep we have. So I would love to give one Jeep to my niece. I loved it. It's a very beautiful place for children. But if children come and they will not let you go out of this place without taking anything. It's so expensive, but it's good. So now I'm entering into my beautiful place with beautiful sunset. It looks like as if you are in the next level of the country. I just love this place. I don't know why, but I started loving it. This is a food hall where I'll take you and I'll show you how good this place is, and it's like amazing, just amazing. You have everything in this food hall, everything from eateries to shopping to everything. Whatever you want, you just take it and yalla. It's like this. So continue watching. Look at the interior, my goodness, how well this place has been made. How beautifully this place has been curated, my goodness. The staircase and all, I just love it. The best part is these chocolates. Oh my god, it's just mouth melting. It's like, though very expensive, it's for 870 real for 1 kg, 750 real for 1 kg, but trust me guys, these chocolates are chocolates. You put it into your mouth, it will melt like anything. It's amazing. I took a small piece of the chocolate. I did not take much because I'm not a chocolate person, but trust me, it's amazing. One time you should try this. These are sugar free. Which one? All? These all?
This one is a traditional sugar free also. How much?
Made up of what? This is made up of?
Made from Amsterdam.
Very nice.
Trust me, these cakes were amazing. These are sugar-free cakes which I saw here, like an halwa type of, but it was mind-blowing. And then comes the dates which are here, and dry fruit straight, like the one which you guys eat, chikki ka laddu and all, which is not very healthy and not very good. This is made up of dates. We should take these things, very healthy thing, and inshallah while I'm going I'll take this. Now I don't want, while I'll go I'll take it. It's for 51 real date bites, which is 500 gram, which is very good actually and very healthy as well. And then comes all eateries items like chips, kurkure and everything here lying. Very good. It was not expensive. It's not like you are in a high store that you will find it expensive. It's on the MRP price only, like whatever price this Qatar is having. The bottle, the cold drink, everything is there in this market. You'll have some eateries also, croissant, bread, curd, juices, baladna, milk, everything, small little everything is there in the store. Everything you will find here. Then this is having coffees, like all sort of coffees are here. I liked one beautiful mug which is here in the store, just for 100. It's 400 real for one mug, but it's amazing. I'm a huge fan of mugs. Like, see how these trolleys are looking like, and how well this place has been made and decorated. So this is the corner where you can sit and eat. You have croissant, cakes. Yeah, this is cheese, butter, Turkish bread, Qatari breads, croissant, muffins, cakes, puddings, cheesecake, pastries. You can sit, have, eat, and then go. something conditions just to move air. It's blowing.
Like you'll feel bloated. Very nice. So thoughtful Qatar is.
These are the most expensive one. आज तक कभी मैंने इतना expensive bags नहीं देखे हैं. These kinds of bags are what I like the most. I just like the sling bag small. And this black one is the one which I like the most. The cost of this bag is somewhere around 2000 real. Excuse me, hello.